现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching a phrase and it's called beautiful or pretty.
讲
that's 漂亮的意思哦。很多东西都可以很漂亮，人可以很漂亮，东西很漂亮，还有什么风景很漂亮。是啊。对。So let's hear a conversation where you're enjoying the outdoors, the scenery, and how beautiful it is. OK， 我们听。
我想我去富顺旅游，希望喺好天。
做乜嘅上去旅遊？
想看講嘅風景，心情不用輕鬆一下。
这个对话还蛮多字可以教哈 ，OK， 不过听起来心情不错啦，对不对？
想要放松心情。
Okay, it's a bit wordy, but let's teach you these phrases right here, okay? The first line is, I want to go to the lake to camp, and I hope the weather is going to be good. 我想要去湖边露营，希望是好天气。
我想愛去富順旅遊，
富順旅遊，
希望係好天。
希望係好天。後面這個是好天氣的意思嗎？
對，希望是好天氣。
後天
就是好天氣。
Okay, a good day, a good weather day. Okay, 後天 that's what it means. And then to camp 要露營叫做
露營。
Okay, that's to do some camping, which I love by the way. And by the lake 在湖邊嘛。富順. All right. And the second person responds, why do you want to go camping? 為什麼想去露營？
做乜嘅想去露營。
Because I want to enjoy the beautiful scenery and also to relax. Okay, 想看漂亮的風景，放鬆一下心情。
想看講嘅風景，心情不用輕鬆一下。
這個心情 that means my mood.
心情，
然後呢要放鬆。
不用輕鬆。
Okay, that means to relax and then to enjoy the beautiful scenery. 講嘅風景，
講嘅風景。
風景 that means scenery or the view. All right, 我們好多單詞可以教哦，包括這個 camping 露營 Okay, and then scenery 要看那個風景嘛，風景怎麼說？風景 and then to relax 放鬆。
不用輕鬆。
And let's listen to the conversation again.
我想我去富順旅遊，希望係好天。
做乜嘅上去旅遊？
想看講嘅風景，心情不用輕鬆一下。
And this month we're teaching you the phrase 漂亮
講
Again, that means pretty. And hope you enjoy everything pretty in your life. Thank you so much for listening to Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.